Protein. Everything you need to know. You want to build muscle, lose fat, look better. Maybe stop feeling exhausted after walking up one flight of stairs like your body just finished a boss fight. So you hear the same advice everywhere. Eat more protein. Your gym friend says it. Fitness creators say it. The guy selling expensive protein powder with a six-pack definitely says it. But then the questions start. How much protein do you actually need? Does eating more automatically build more muscle? Do you need supplements? And is surviving on chicken, rice, and broccoli a secret requirement for joining the gym? The truth is much simpler. Protein is the building material your body uses to repair, maintain, and build tissues. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, without the myths, the hype, or the overpriced supplement marketing. Protein is one of the three major macronutrients, alongside carbohydrates and fats. Think of your body like a construction site. Carbohydrates are the fuel that keeps the machines running. Fats help with hormones, brain function, and long-term energy storage. Protein is the bricks, steel, and concrete. It's the material your body uses to rebuild itself every single day. Your muscles, skin, hair, enzymes, and even parts of your immune system all rely on protein. Here's where a lot of people get confused. Eating protein doesn't magically make you muscular. If you eat an entire mountain of chicken but never challenge your muscles, nothing special happens. It's like delivering truckloads of bricks to a construction site where nobody is actually building anything. The materials are there. The workers never showed up. When you lift weights, you create tiny amounts of stress in your muscles. Your body responds by repairing that damage and making the muscles a little stronger so they're better prepared next time. That's why muscle growth happens after your workout, not during it. The workout sends the signal. Recovery does the building, which means sleep matters just as much as training. Now let's answer the biggest question. How much protein do you actually need? The answer depends on your body size, activity level, and goals. For people who regularly do resistance training, research generally supports around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That doesn't mean more is always better. Eating slightly above that range won't suddenly transform you into a professional bodybuilder. And eating slightly below it doesn't mean all your muscles disappear overnight. Consistency beats perfection. Another huge myth is that chicken breast is basically the only source of protein. Not even close. Protein comes from eggs, fish, lean beef, dairy, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, seeds, and plenty of other foods. The best diet is usually one you can actually stick to, because eating dry chicken every day eventually starts feeling less like fitness and more like serving a prison sentence. Then there's protein powder. Do you need it? No. Protein powder isn't magic. It's just food that's been made convenient. If you're busy with school, work, or don't have time to cook, a shake can help you reach your daily protein goal, but whole foods should still make up most of your diet whenever possible. Another myth you'll hear is the famous anabolic window. Some people claim you have exactly 30 minutes after your workout to drink a protein shake or all your gains disappear. Thankfully, your muscles aren't checking a stopwatch. Getting enough protein throughout the entire day is generally more important than drinking a shake the second you re-rack your last dumbbell. Protein is also incredibly useful if you're trying to lose fat. Why? Because high-protein meals help many people stay full for longer. That makes it easier to eat fewer calories without feeling hungry all day. Even better, eating enough protein while strength training helps your body hold on to muscle during weight loss. That's exactly what most people want. Lose fat, keep muscle, not lose both. Finally, don't fall into the expensive supplement trap. Walk into any supplement store and you'll see shelves full of products promising unbelievable results. Most of them are selling convenience, not miracles. The biggest differences still come from the boring basics: train consistently, eat enough protein, sleep well, repeat. So here's everything you need to remember. Protein is your body's building material. It helps repair and build muscle, but it only works when you actually train. You don't need to live on chicken breast. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need to panic about drinking a shake exactly 30 minutes after the gym. What you do need is consistency. Eat enough protein, train hard, recover properly. Repeat that process for months, not days, because the people who get the best results usually aren't chasing secret hacks. They're simply doing the basics long enough for the basics to work. If you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense explainers, and let me know in the comments what topic we should break down next.